Bes, ba't napadalaw ka? May problema ako, Bes. Oo, mag-water ka muna. Ano ba yun? Delayed ako, Bes. Ganun ba? Siguraduhin muna natin yan. O ito, medic pregnancy test. Try mo. Paano ba gamitin yan? Simple lang. Get a little bit of urine. Take 3 drops of the urine and drop it in the small window at the lower part of the device. Makikita mo na ang result sa loob ng 1 to 3 minutes. 2 red lines for positive and 1 red line for negative. Ano, Bes? Positive? Negative, Bes! Yes! Salamat sa medic pregnancy test. Sabi ko sa iyo bago magduda, mag-medic pregnancy test muna. Ang resulta, garantisado pa.
Ha? Titindi ng mga DJ? Ha? Titindi ng mga music? Ito ang 96.1 Hot FM. Ha? Radyo? Hanap mo? Meron na yan. Pero radyo mo. Trisha ang Michelle. Tunay. Tinamahan ka ba?
Good morning, everyone! DJ Trisha ang Michelle is in your radio. Have you eaten your breakfast? Well, if not, let me remind you the time. Time check is already 10:30 a.m. And that time check is brought to you by Medic Pregnancy Test. Bago magduda, mag-Medic Pregnancy Test muna. Greetings, greetings, greetings! I would like to greet Mary Lou and Chris Jane. They are my pretty friends like me. And also, I would like to meet my boyfriend. Hi, love you, honey, sweetie. Ligo na you, lapit na me. Okay, now, let's go to our hottest news. Now, they say that Hello Kitty is not a cat. She's a real human little girl who lives outside of London. Has a twin sister and a cat of her own, and will live forever. Be in 3rd grade. So her real name is Kitty White. So, he's not really a toy. She's my favorite pa naman. Oh my God. So, someday if I go to London, baby, we can be playmates. Hello Kitty. And now, let's go back to our music. I'm playing a song, and stay tuned in for DJ Charisma. You're still tuned in to 96.1 Hot FM. Hatin ang radyo to.
Ha? Titindi ng mga DJ? Ha? Titindi ng mga music? Ito ang 96.1 Hot FM.